Unraveling, It's Been Too Long, A Guide to English Expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase you've probably heard in movies, songs, or in everyday conversations. It's been too long. This simple yet profound expression is rich in meaning and emotion, and understanding its nuances can significantly boost your English communication skills. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this popular phrase. It's been too long is an expression used to convey that a significant amount of time has passed since a certain event occurred or since the speaker last experienced something. It often carries a sense of nostalgia, regret, or longing. The phrase is versatile and can refer to a wide range of situations, from not seeing a friend for years to not indulging in a favorite activity. This phrase can be used in various contexts, each bringing its own emotional weight and implications. Here are some common scenarios where you might use or encounter "it's been too long." Reunions. When meeting a friend or family member after a long time, saying, "It's been too long," emphasizes the length of separation and the joy of reconnecting. Returning to a beloved place. Visiting a childhood home or a favorite vacation spot after years can prompt this phrase, highlighting a mix of fond memories and the passage of time. Resuming a cherished activity. If you're getting back to a hobby or activity you haven't engaged in for a while, this expression can underline the sense of relief and excitement at being able to do it again. English is rich in expressions that convey the passage of time and the feelings associated with it. Here are a few similar phrases that can be used interchangeably with "it's been too long," depending on the context and desired tone. Long time no see, more casual, often used for informal greetings after not seeing someone for a while. It feels like forever, emphasizes a subjective feeling that the separation or absence has felt longer than it objectively has been. I've missed this, directly expresses a sense of longing and the joy of experiencing something again. Understanding and using the phrase, "it's been too long," can add depth and emotional resonance to your conversations in English. Whether you're reconnecting with old friends, revisiting cherished memories, or getting back to beloved activities, this expression can help you articulate those profound feelings of nostalgia and joy. We hope this video has helped you grasp the essence of this beautiful phrase. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use it in your next English conversation. Until next time, happy learning!